I've got an original Haoshi Tools pocket knife lockpick set. This is really cool. You gotta unscrew this bottom part. And you can take out the tension wrench. Just slides right out. And you got your different tools there. Put this little screw back in there at the bottom to lock it when you choose which tool you want to work with. And when you want to store it, you just slide this back in here and screw the screw in the bottom. And you're good to go. Real cool piece. Real cool find. Very convenient for your next diamond heist. They all come brand new. They're sealed. Come with a little light here. You can put it on as a keychain if you need it. Break into someone's house in the middle of the night. Don't do that. These are for training purposes only. These originally had come from Amazon. We've got them cheaper, better, faster shipping. Best customer service, best deals at the flea market with the best looking guys at the flea market. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Have a nice day.